Hey guys, so thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a new company that I haven't worked with yet, but I'm excited to try them out and you guys let me know what you think. Today's review is on some new glasses that I received from a company called Fytoo. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So let's go ahead and open up the package and see what we got. So you do get a measuring tool. This helps you to measure your PD length, and that's really important when you're ordering glasses online. So if you get this, definitely keep it so you can measure your PD length. Looks like you also get a little trifold information about Fytoo. And what are these? So yep, it's a duster. And this is the packaging that the glasses come in. I think it's really cute. The colors are pretty. I love mint green. Well, I guess this is more of like a turquoise green. These are really cute dust bags. You can also use the dust bags to clean your glasses as well. So if you lose your glasses cleaner, you can also use the bags that they come in to clean the glasses. So it looks like we have 4 pairs of glasses to try out today. All right, so this is what the glasses look like when you receive them. Looks like they're covered in a clear plastic film, and then they're inside of a clear Ziploc bag. Okay guys, so I just wanted to zoom in a little bit. I want to fix my ponytail. If you guys are in the DMV area, I did get my hair styled by eGirl Styles. Yvonne is located in Maryland, but right on the DC border. If you guys are interested in booking with her and getting this adorable little style, I'll link her information down below. And the hair that we used for this is the GLEEmade Tropical Deep Wave hair in 14-inch. So I wanted to do something with shorter hair that's really great for your budget and your pockets, because the 14-inch is very affordable. And we only used a pack and a half bundle, 1.5 bundles to create this style. And it's very full and very beautiful. So if you want to grab you 2 bundles of Tropical Deep Wave in the 14-inch, you can absolutely achieve this style. Moving on to the glasses. All right, so this is the first pair, and ooh. Okay, she's giving classy, flirty, still sexy though, right? Like the shape is very sexy and cute, but like the tortoise shell design is very understated and classy. So I absolutely love these. Anything with gold, as you can see, I'm just like a gold snob. I love gold. So yeah, I love these. The gold trim, the tortoise shell, the shape of the glasses is perfect. I have a very rectangle shaped face, so cat eyes always look good on me. And I love it with this ponytail and this lip. Like, I love this look. I'm gonna pause and take a couple pictures, and then I'll be back with the next one. So let's try the next pair. Okay, these are super cute as well. The shape of these is very different. I love this cutout here in between the gold and the tortoise. These are very dainty, but they're still big. And I like that they're still a statement piece, but they're still very feminine and not too bulky. These matching my lipstick though. And my skin tone. It's like caramel and purple. Love it. Love it. These are really cute. These are more, I would say, like a fashion pair of glasses, but they're still very light and dainty. Even while still being a little bold, but like the color is very soft and pretty. I really like these, actually. I love the shape. It's new, it's interesting. And as many glasses as I've reviewed, I don't think I've ever had a shape like this. So I have an appreciation for these glasses as being something that I haven't tried before. And also, like, I didn't plan this, but it's definitely given a vibe. Like, it's matching the gold, it's matching, you know, my skin tone, it's matching my spirit and my vibe. I like these. These are really, really cute. And last but not least, drum roll please. All right, the chic and sophisticated black and gold. Here we are. Love this. Very, very nice. I feel like the black is almost like a matte black and the gold has a nice shine to it. The shape is very pretty. I just love how dainty, soft, and delicate all these frames are. I've tried so many glasses in the past, and a lot of times they can be like very thick and heavy. Not physically heavy, but just feel like substantial just because they're so like solid. But I like how light these are and airy. It's like a nice pair of light spring glasses, everyday, easy to wear, and not too distracting, but still very stylish and pretty. I love how feminine these glasses are, and it's definitely different and like a breath of fresh air. I really like this brand. This brand is called Fytoo. I definitely like them, and I'd like to try more from them to see what else they have to offer. If you guys are interested in these frames, definitely check down below. I will have them all linked down there, and then I will also have a coupon code hopefully for you all. Check the description box down below and see what all is down there for you all. Love these. So cute. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do one thing for me. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a glasses lover. Share this video with your mama.